Officials in Scotland County are reporting an increase now in respiratory illnesses. Influenza, COVID-19, and RSV have been popping up in the region. WGEM's Shakayla McCamick is back from Memphis, Missouri, and joins me now with details on how the local hospital is trying to protect residents. Shakayla?
Daniel, Scotland County Hospital officials say this rise in respiratory illness could be attributed to more people in the community gathering for the holidays. Officials working at the Memphis Rural Health Clinic report seeing 7 to 10 daily positive flu cases. That's why they say they're requiring all patients and visitors to be masked up when in the hospital. The next time you walk into Scotland County Hospital, interim CEO Megan Weber says make sure you mask up.
And we just felt like it was our due diligence to protect our patients at this time during the high flu and COVID season.
Weber says staff and patients are getting infected by COVID-19 and influenza at alarming rates. They're already looking to hire more staff members, and Weber says they can't afford to have employees getting seriously ill all the time. For that reason and to protect patients, masks are required until at least after the holidays.
We had some long-term patients in our skilled rehab program that had been here and contracted the virus. So we felt that it was getting spread through the community or the staff, and we felt that it was necessary to mask to protect them.
Scotland County Hospital's chief of staff says the updated policy is to protect the most vulnerable, and she says those are the ones that are already seeking treatment.
Usually the people in the hospital are more susceptible to other infections, and it's pretty sad to have someone here with one illness and then have someone bring in something else that would make them doubly sick.
Miller Parish says along with the updated mask policy, inpatients are only allowed 2 visitors per day.
We're limiting the visitors, limiting the entrances so that we can make sure they are aware of the masking mandate and aware that we're trying to protect everybody.
Patients and visitors will be required to wear a mask, and the updated visitor policy will remain in place until further notice. Hospital officials will reassess the mandate after the start of the new year. Shakayla McCamick, WGEM News.
Thank you, Shakayla. And Scotland County Hospital staff reminds you the best way to protect yourself is, of course, to wash your hands and stay home when you're sick. You can track illness data for Scotland County on our website, WGEM.com.